Hey coders, let's break down JSX in just 30 seconds. JSX looks like HTML, but it's actually a syntax extension for JavaScript. It lets you write HTML-like code right in your JavaScript. Here's an example. Create a constant called element. It equals an h1 tag that says hello world. JSX gets transformed into regular JavaScript function calls. Key points. 1. Makes React code more readable. 2. Can include JavaScript expressions in curly braces. 3. Helps prevent injection attacks. 4. Represents objects. Let's use a variable in JSX. Create a constant called name and set it to user. Then create a constant called greeting. It equals an h1 tag that says hello, followed by the name in curly braces. That's JSX in 30 seconds. Like and subscribe for more. React Explained fast.